welcome. My name is Sean Awesome, and welcome to Will You Press the Button? Okay. During the zombie apocalypse, you are given 3 guns or weapons that will guarantee your survival during this apocalypse. But one of the weapons or guns will be the cause of your death, but you don't know how or when. No. I like life too much. 52 press the button while 48% did not. I'd be the first in a body bag. You can control people's bodies like puppets. Dance, monkeys dance. But there will be one other person with the same ability, and they want you dead. No. 54% of people press this button while 46% did not. You can see the future, but you'll get them in random spurs. And when you get them, you get massive migraines beforehand. And the only way to subdue them is to turn into an alcoholic. How many times do I have to say? One of the great things in life is not being able to see the future. So, I will not. Woohoo! 59% of people are with me. You can fly really fast, but every 20 minutes your flying ability will be disabled. For how long? Yeah, I'd love to fly. Woohoo! 81% of people are with me. You will get into the Minecraft world, but you are a villager who can only trade, non-craft, or build. I don't really do Minecraft. I mean, I have done Minecraft with my sister and her friends, but I'm pretty clueless when it comes to Minecraft. You can date any anime character you want, but they cheat on you repeatedly. Fine. Woohoo! Wait, no. I'm in the minority. I'm in the minority! 45% of people did what I just did and pressed the button, while 55 did not. You will have the ability to grant yourself 3 wishes, but they only last for 1 hour and they are gone forever. Yeah. Jacob Fine said, obviously I would wish that an hour lasted a lifetime. You have the power to create the most beautiful paintings ever created, but you lose your vision, so you will never be able to see them yourself. Fine. I meant to press the button, but I'm in the majority. 64 people are with me. You become an Olympic athlete, but you're a Kenyan runner. I don't see the downside. Ooh, split 50-50. By looking at someone, you can see what they want, how they're feeling, and when they're lying. But you can never turn this ability off. No, it goes back to my enjoyment of life. And if I can tell all those things by looking at someone, it ruins half the fun. You become a millionaire and live a long, healthy life. But every day at exactly 6 p.m., you must sit deadly still on a chair for an hour and do nothing without fail. No. I like doing shit. Every animal loves you, but every human hates you. While every animal already loves me, and but it would be bad if humans hate you because they control your, like, wealth or whatever. So, no. Woohoo! Woohoo! 60% of people are with me. You get married to whoever you want. Anything you touch burns, even earth. Some men just want to watch the world burn. No. Woohoo! 74% of people are with me. You get augmented with no upper limit, but you need to take neuropozyne every day. If you miss a dose, you die. No. Woohoo! 63% of people are with me. You can instantly draw anything perfectly and bring that art to life. But the downside is that you sleep draw whatever you're dreaming about, which are often nightmares. What the fuck's that banging? Woohoo! 60% of people are with me. Cast a film which guarantees every actor an Oscar win, but you can't cast Leonardo DiCaprio. Win-win. I don't like Leonardo DiCaprio. Woohoo! 78% of people are with me. You become a world-renowned author and millionaire, but every hair on your head and body must be at least 1 meter long. No. Imagine going to the store like that. That would be terrible. Woohoo! 59% of people didn't press this. get $1, but 10 hairs will grow on a random place on your body. No, that would be awkward, and it's only $1. If you press this button, you will instantly be reborn in any fictional world you choose. But while you retain your memories, being reborn doesn't mean that you will not be the main character. May never meet that character, and you have no control over what race, creed, sex you are. It is random. No. Why did I press that? I'm in the minority again. You have an infinite amount of money and immortality. You can do whatever you want. But an entire football stadium filled to the brim with people die. You are there to see it. You can never die. Oh, no, thank you. I don't want to watch a football stadium die. I mean, I'm okay if a football stadium dies, with people die, but I don't wanna see it. You would legalize gay marriage, but you would become a homophobe. Yeah. People should be allowed to it comes down to whether one likes sausages or tacos. And if you like sausages, it's fine. You can speak any foreign language you want, but you can no longer speak your native one. No. I like English, and I like learning things. You become a wizard, but you can't listen to music. Sure. 51% of people press this button. you and 10 of your closest friends get a phone app that tells you everything in your life that happens in the next week. But you have to kill your 10 closest friends that own the app before they kill you. And if you kill them all, you can change the future. No fucking way. Woohoo! 58%. 58% of people are with me. The United States finally converts to the metric system. The rest of the world converts to the US weight and measure system. While I do use the US weight and measure system for some things, but no. The majority of people found in Canada love the metric system. Okay, last one. Infinite chocolate, but it tastes really bitter. Yeah. Oh, I'm in the minority again. No. Okay. 63% of people did not press it, while 37% did. Okay, well, that's it for this episode. Don't forget to subscribe for more content. I do 2 videos a day, 5 days a week, except weekends. I get weekends off. Some days I'll do short little commentary videos. Commentaries on issues we face in society, or whatever the fuck pops into my head. On March 15th, I will that'll be the last day of my winter schedule, and then I will replace my commentaries with another type of video. I'm not sure what yet, but I'll let you know as we go along. Twitter, Instagram, and Tumblr are in the description. And as always, hit like if you liked unlimited. Goodbye.